Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Desktop Payroll. This powerful tool helps businesses efficiently manage employee compensation, ensuring everyone is paid accurately and on time. It integrates seamlessly with your existing QuickBooks Desktop software, making payroll a natural extension of your accounting. You can select from different service levels, such as Enhanced or Assisted, to match your business's specific needs for payroll support and automation. Setting up payroll correctly is crucial for smooth operations. First, activate your payroll service directly within your QuickBooks desktop. Next, accurately enter all your company's federal and state tax identification numbers. Then, add each employee's personal details, including their pay rates and W-4 tax information. Finally, define all payroll items such as regular wages, benefits, and any deductions, ensuring everything is ready for your first payroll run. Once setup is complete, processing payroll is straightforward. Begin by selecting the employees you wish to pay for the current pay period. Carefully review and adjust any variable earnings, such as hours worked, commissions, or bonuses. QuickBooks will then automatically calculate each employee's gross pay, applicable taxes, and net pay. You can then easily generate paychecks, choosing to print them directly or process them through direct deposit for convenience. Managing payroll taxes and reporting is simplified with QuickBooks Desktop Payroll. The system automatically calculates your federal and state payroll tax liabilities. You can easily generate and file essential quarterly tax forms, like Form 941, directly from the software. At year-end, prepare and print W-2 forms for all your employees. Additionally, access a variety of detailed payroll reports to gain valuable insights into your labor costs and financial obligations.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.